Booze. I need booze. I need booze. This is weird. This is weird. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mr. Brown. Yeah, that's right people. I'm gonna teach you how to draw a rose. But not just any rose. No! Not just any rose. I'm gonna teach you how to draw a rose from the word rose. Who does that? Huh? Huh? Who does that? Me. I do that. I do that because I have no friends. All right, there you have it, folks. That was how to draw a rose from the word rose. Yeah, I did it. I did it. I kind of messed up towards the bottom there, but hey, what are you gonna do? Sue me. Look, enjoy your free content. Enjoy your free content. Okay? I'm wasting my life. What am I doing? Look, if you got any sort of entertainment from this, watching me in pain, If you try this out, let me know. Hey, try it out. It's not too hard if you really put your mind to it. So, yeah, send me your links on Instagram. That's right, we have Sketchflix Instagram. Oh my God, there's a pin coming out of my head. The pin! What the hell, dude? What the hell? Who's doing this? Listen, if you like this, share it with a friend. Or if you know somebody that likes this or something like this, I don't know, share it with a friend. Let me know. It really helps me out, and it helps me help the channel grow and make more ridiculous videos like this. So, bye-bye. Jeez, this is bad. This is really bad. Like, really bad. I haven't done this in years. I love you.